So hi all, welcome back to one more interesting session from Trido School YouTube channel. This is Shalini Sudarshanam, SEO and Content Manager. This video is very interesting because as a content creator or as an influencer, so while you are creating content, especially in Instagram, the primary objective, it would be definitely earn money through Instagram. Correct. So in this particular video, I'm going to give you like 3 legit ways where you can earn money, especially through Instagram. So like few tips and tricks would actually help you out. Let us just start with the session. Hopefully you guys can have a look at my mind map. Okay. Only very 3 steps. First, you have to build your foundation and then you have to start with the optimization. Always create something, optimize it according to the needs and changes. And finally, there are several things where you have to do it for sure. I will not say it's going to be very tough, and also it is not very easy. The one thing you have to figure it out is when you build the foundation in a very proper manner, obviously you can just provide the monetization very easily. Correct. Starting with the building for foundation. Niche selection. See, this is where many people are failing it. You have created a professional account profile in Instagram. Either it can be a business or a creator account. Now, how you gonna monetize yourself? Do you just simply post several videos in Instagram so that you can monetize? No, people never gonna listen to your videos. So what is niche? You have to select one particular industry. In case of Instagram, it can be, see, if I'm a digital marketer, I can just niche down further. It is not like I'm a digital marketing coach. I'm never going to put it like that. I can be a local SEO coach, right? I can be a conversion coach, a performance marketing coach. This is how you have to narrow down your niche. Okay, so let me just give you one more example for a quick challenge. Okay, if you are a skincare influencer, if you're a beauty influencer, you're never gonna put it as beauty influencer, skincare expert. So how you can niche it down? Okay, so in case of skincare, you're gonna speak only related to acne. In case of hair care, you're gonna only speak related to the curly hair. So how to maintain a curly hair? Only related to curly hair. The specialization and the niche actually speaks a lot. That is how you can get mainly sponsorships, right? So just going over to Instagram, just posting the reels, posting the carousel, posting the Instagram story doesn't fetch you monetization until you specialize them. And I would like to know, so do you just find any such influences of this particular type? Not a general food vlogger, not a general educational person, but a person who has actually niched down further. Okay, so please in the comment section just give me some examples whom you actually follow, who is just relatable to one particular sub niche, not to the entire niche. So I know many persons I would like to add in the comment section too. Next is balance your passion with market demands. It is like, okay, I am a handwriting tutor, right? So I have to get specification related to calligraphy. What type of handwritings like people are used to? Is it like straight handwriting or a cursive slanting handwriting? This is how you're gonna upgrade. So is there really a demand for a handwriting class right now? Especially in the summer class or the winter class, you have to just look over the demand. 50% to your passion and 50% to the market demand. If there is no demand for your passion, please stop right over there and rethink. You can take any relatable things. Okay, let me just go for this weight loss. Okay, so people really want to take a weight loss in a very serious fashion. See, you can see n number of searches for weight loss, and it is the most profitable niche in case of the weight loss. But do you want to speak like, yes, 5 tips for weight loss, this is the diet you're going to take, this is the nutrition value, this is the caloric deficit? No, you have to just select one particular. It can be an intermittent fasting. You will speak only related to intermittent fasting and check whether people are actually searching for intermittent fasting. So how do you just check whether people are really searching for? I'll just go to Google Trends. This is the best way and an easy and understandable way. Okay, just go to Google Trends. You can just put your query over there. If people are searching for keto diet or intermittent fasting, or like calorie deficit diet. So like you can search over it in case of Google Trends or any other keyword research tool. Whenever you're selecting a niche, passion plus market demand is very, very important. Correct. If you're just going into a broad niche, just see there are like millions and millions of users are there, millions and millions of content creators are there. You will be lost in that sea, right? So please don't do that, especially if you want to monetize within 1 year. Correct. Next comes the profile optimization. So you have set the foundation, you have selected the niche. What you should do further to this is the step you have to do before actually posting the content. See, profile optimization should be done before you post a reel, story, whatever may be. So, what are the things you have to consider in case of profile optimization? Let me just give you 3 steps. One is a professional profile photo. It can be based on your niche. Okay, it can be funky, it can be classy, it can be artistic. So based on your niche selection, you can create a profile picture. If you are taking up a business, obviously put a business logo inside the profile picture. So where you can create a proper profile picture, you can use PFP Maker, and also in Canva, you can just do it. Okay, either it can be using the PFP Maker or using the Canva. So both the things are very good options. Next is a clear keyword rich bio. What do you mean by bio? 3 lines of bio are very, very important. And if you want to know more on the bio perspective, you guys can go and watch the other video, which I'll just add it over here in the I section. The Instagram stickers and the Instagram hacks, like how to write a bio. What should be the first line, second line, and the third line? So please optimize your bio according to that. You guys can watch the previous video on the Instagram strategies, which we have already posted in the Trido School. So how many characters you have to just pull it? The 150 characters. Within this 150 characters, you should just say to the audience why audience should follow you. So what are you going to do? You're going to help. So if you just follow me, whether they're going to like get a 10x income within like 6 months, why people should follow you. The second thing is like, who are you? So what is your expertise? A certification course, or like how many clients you have handled, how many projects you have closed, how many deals you have closed. So the expertise should be there. And the third is what you actually offer. Do you offer like social media marketing, website designing, or course, one-to-one consultation? These are the 3 things that should be there inside the bio. Number 1, why people should follow you. The number 2 is like, what is your expertise, certifications, like if you're a business person, so whether your products are certified according to like norms in the government, right? So you have to mention that. Third is like, what do you offer? In case of business, you can put like 100% natural, like handmade. In case of the other things like one-to-one consultation, so like whatever courses or services you sell, you can provide it in the Instagram bio. Third is like, never ever miss the link. Yeah, I think you can add till 4 links, 4 to 5 links, right? So try to provide a proper value in the link. One can be to your website, and the other thing, if there is any one-to-one consultation is offering, you can add a Google form, right? And the others are nothing but the links, the affiliate links. You can try this Linktree. This is a very good platform, especially if you're an influencer. You can add this Linktree. Correct. So the next is the landing page. If you're selling any courses or mini workshops, you can just redirect your audience to the landing pages. Finally, to your website, a e-commerce website, right? So these are the things that should be there in your profile. Finally, we are just coming to the key point of our video. How do you going to monetize it? So I'm going to give you like 3 possible suggestions. The one is like brand partnership and the sponsored content. See, but this is my personal advice. If you're having 1,000 followers, yes, you are eligible. Like you can approach brands, and brands also will approach you. Even when I was having, right now, I'm not having that account. When I was doing collaboration with the brands, when I just started with it, I've just done a profile optimization. So I've just went with like 200 followers. In that 200 followers itself, I was getting many collabs. Why? because of the content, and because of the profile. Like people are searching for few terms, right? I had that in the bio. So like that is how people can actually come to my profile. Correct. So like if you're not like, okay, let me just reach 100K. So you guys can reach 100K and then you can be open for this brand deals, collaboration or sponsorship. So if you start with like 1,000 followers, obviously you will be getting a very basic or an entry pay. Correct. If you're not okay with it, if you're just financially good, then just wait for the followers to increase, wait for your profile to get a very good reach, and then you can be open for the collaboration. So that can fetch you a very decent deals. Okay, I'm just saying in case of finance is not a problem. You just wait for some time until you get the so and so recognition from the media partners also. So it would be a great deal if you just do it at that particular moment. But as 1,000 followers, obviously you can see what is the earning potential. So how do you gonna just reach out to any agency or any brands? Always you have to show your analytics, insights. Take a screenshot of your insights. So whenever I'm just posting certain content related to certain products, okay, so like it can be mostly like beauty influencers are just getting so many collabs, right? If this particular what do you say, informational content I'm posting, this is what the reach is, this is what the engagement percentage is. You have to take a screenshot before you just reach out to the brands. Always start with the smaller brands in your niche. Focus on authentic partnership, very very important. And also you have to mention it is like a partnership ad or like promotion. That is, it should be legit. If you're doing something, it should be of legit. You have to mention it. Always reach out to smaller brands at the initial phase. Correct. So these are the things you can do it when you start with 1,000 followers. So you have to be posting consistent content. It can be reels, carousel, or stories. Consistency is the key, and you have to be doing it. Right. The next is affiliate marketing, where you can actually you don't have to show the face. There are faceless Instagram profiles are there which are earning lakhs and lakhs. So how do you do it using the affiliate marketing? One such thing is obviously Amazon. Correct. You just create content around that particular product and you post it, and also you add the link of the affiliate link inside your bio. So whoever purchases using that affiliate link, this particular person will be getting the commissions. Correct. So it can be a faceless Instagram profile also, that will be okay until and unless the content is really damn good. Affiliate marketing actually works good. Okay. If you just adding the proper links in the bio, and also the meme pages, right? Can you see like how the meme pages are earning? Meme pages will be earning a lot, like how much meme pages are getting for a single meme, especially to tag a product or a service. Even the meme page you can do it, Amazon affiliate you can do it. Apart from that, certain affiliate will be there in your particular niche. Health, there will be some health products. If you just talk related to baby care, right? So like a baby, like kids wellness coach, something like that, an image coach. Now you can be a affiliate commission person for a particular product or a service. You can be a person like that also. So if you are a beginner, it's just okay. You guys can start with Amazon. It is like good to go. Finally, you can sell your own product. It can be digital product like ebooks. Correct? Ebooks, you can sell it. These are like digital products like a diet recipe, or like if you are a very good person in cooking, so you can just give an ebook for all the recipes right out there and people can purchase it. Correct. In case of physical products, you can start very easily from home. You can sell even a water bottle, so you just add the link to the bio. So Instagram, the main thing is like digital products, physical products, barter collaborations. Barter collaborations is nothing but they will provide the products for free, but you can't be getting money for what the content you're giving. So, but the products will be of free. Correct? So many things are right out there going in Instagram right now, but always be a legit person. Just like that, don't promote unnecessary things, which is not at all good. If you won't take that, you shouldn't promote anything. See, if you won't give certain products to your kids, if you won't take that particular thing like gaming apps, few gaming apps and all there now. So like if you're not gonna do it, so why you have to be promoting the same? See, always have this professional ethics in mind whenever you're earning. See, the money can be like instant, especially nowadays through social media. The money is pretty instant, right? But following certain things is what you deserve to be as a human. Correct? Always be in that particular pot. Finally, the coaching or service. You can be doing a digital marketing services, and also you can provide consultation to brands. As a digital marketing trainer, I can provide a consultation to a particular academy or for a particular agency. See, agency people will be doing the work. If they have certain doubts like in this particular niche I haven't worked, so I can just come in, I can just provide a consultation call to them. So you can provide a consultation, a coaching service in case of the Instagram also, which is really good. Nowadays, like consultation and coaching is pretty high because like people love to explore a lot related to their passion, interest, side hustles, passive income. So many people are taking up the skills and courses and they require a proper mentorship for that, right? So these are the three possible ways you can earn through Instagram. If you want to have a detailed video on like Instagram strategies and all, please check out the other video which is available in our YouTube channel. See you soon in the other video. Thank you.